Hey there guys, my name's Georgia, welcome back to Lazy Student. Today we're doing a slightly different video, which is a DIY type video. I'm redoing my office and my kind of YouTube studio room. So this is going to be a video all about that, a kind of vlog style. I'll show you a bit of me painting some things and take you guys through this, and I really value your comments, so please leave a comment below. I have so many questions and I need so much advice on what you guys think, so please let me know down below how you're feeling about what I'm doing so far. So without further ado, if you're interested, please just keep on watching. So as you can see, we kind of walk around. We've got a space. As you walk in, that's the door. There's a couple of little things here that I've already bought, but there's a little space. The carpets are really quite dark, but the rest of the room's pretty light. We've got a broken light fixture there and a light fixture up here. So this is the room. So we're going to, hopefully I'm going to put some storage in here, a little cubby space. I'm hoping to put a little desk here. These are just storage cupboards. So the first thing I'm going to do is try and put this chair together. Now what I've done is this, I think, is going to be my office chair, and I think this chair is going to be one at a little table that I've gotten secondhand. This is actually secondhand as well. It's a new chair, but the lady got two of them, so she gave this to me for a good deal. So yeah, this is going at a little table. I'm thinking a little pink rug, maybe like a pink gold white theme here because the walls are white. The brown carpet's kind of killing me, I'm not going to lie, it's not my cup of tea, but obviously I can't change it because we rent, so I'm thinking if we just get a rug, that could be quite helpful. Hey there guys, coming at you again. I have just finished putting the legs on the chair, which was an absolute nightmare. Now I've paired it with this table. Again, I got it second hand. Now I'll show you it from a distance. I'm just not convinced that I love it. It's like an onyxy material. So it's not marble. It's made to look, I guess, like marble, but I'm actually not sure. Leave in the comments if you like it or not down below. So today I am going to be painting this mirror. I'm going to be painting it kind of pink colour to match my desk, which I will be making soon. So first I'm just going to rustle this around. Goodness. I'm going to rustle this around. Pop it down. Usually I'd be using newspaper or paper, but I just don't have it. We had bubble wrap for moving house, so that's what I'm going to use. I think I'll pick this paintbrush. I really hope I'm in focus, and I'm just going to be painting this. So I'm just going to be taking the mirror part out for now and then painting. I mean, you could leave the mirror in, but I don't have masking tape or anything. So I feel like, I mean, it could still end in disaster, but I feel like it really would end in disaster that way. So I will be right back once I have taken all of these off. I think this looks good. I'll get as much paint off of this as I can. picked up for free, obviously while social distancing. And this is a nice chair, but as you can see, there are a few little stains or marks that were left. I'll get that in focus. So what I'm thinking of doing is actually just painting this pink, not the actual chair. Let me focus that. Not the actual chair pink, but just the legs. So I think that I will be doing that today, and that means that that wood will match this. Now, this piece of wood is actually going to be my desk. I just bought a furnished 2 sides white plank of wood. I've already chopped some off to get in the car with a saw on this end, but I'm hoping that this will fit into there and be my desk. Okay, that is precariously balanced.